Hello to everyone, and once again welcome to Fame Ebong TV. And today I'll be showing you a very simple and easy method on how to make a face and body scrub. So just watch and follow every step I will take here. So I will start by highlighting each of my ingredients. This is the sugar, granulated sugar. You can use the brown sugar or the white sugar. And this here is my cornmeal. This is cornmeal, and also this cornmeal is good for exfoliating the skin. And here is my oatmeal. Oatmeal is also a good ingredient for exfoliating the skin. Then over here is my coconut oil. Coconut oil is good for the skin. It has a lot of benefits to the skin. And here is my avocado oil, which is a very nice and friendly oil also. Then this here is my sunflower oil. So you see, I'm making use of very nice, friendly, organic oils to produce this scrub. And here is my almond oil. Almond oil is very nice in beautifying the skin. It's a very fantastic oil. Then this here is my tea tree oil. We all know the effect of tea tree oil. It's a very good antibacterial oil. Then we'll be putting the color. We don't want the scrub to be looking white in color, so we'll add color to make it look appealing to the eye. So this is the procedure on how to make it. So watch and follow the steps. Thank you.